Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wished your laptop keyboard sounded like a real mechanical keyboard? Well, in today's video, I'll show you a free application that adds realistic mechanical keyboard sounds to almost any keyboard. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for MechVibes. Open the official MechVibes website. Once the page loads, click Download and download the latest version for Windows. After the download is complete, run the installer. Then, launch MechVibes. The application opens immediately, with a clean and simple interface. From here, click the Sound Pack menu. Choose any mechanical keyboard sound. Next, adjust the volume to your preferred level. Now, leave MechVibes running in the background. Open Notepad, Microsoft Word, or any application where you can type. As you type, you'll hear realistic mechanical keyboard sounds, even if you're using a laptop keyboard or a regular membrane keyboard. If you'd like to try a different sound, simply return to MechVibes and select another sound pack. You can experiment until you find the one you enjoy the most. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make your keyboard sound like a mechanical keyboard, completely free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tips, free software, and technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.